Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of something different. Well, I don't know if it's different or not, but my detail guys are talking about they cannot get rid of the whatever is on this door panel, some crayon or lipstick or something. They're unable to remove it. I've told them there's no way it won't come off. I got some super duper like killer stuff we degrease engines with, all this. I've tried everything, I can't get it off. That one's just as bad. Okay, so first things first, so prep the surface, clean it really well so the paint will stick. And clean a little bit of the outside area, so we put some tape. And then the key is to I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of a scuff, and then I'm going to give it some color. And I'm using the 320 grid. Okay, and then I'm using a little bit of a brake clean, which to clean the surface really well so it sticks, and this thing dries really fast. So and then I'm going to heat it up a little bit, just so temperatures are really cold right now. Oh, if you guys know, tomorrow is Euro Sunday. We're gonna go check out some cool cars in a Lamborghini tomorrow. You guys should come follow us. You know what? We'll take Corey with us in the morning, and we'll go roll around and check out some cool cars tomorrow. I'm warming this up, and this is looking really good. Look at this door panel, is looking mighty gnarly. Nice and soft. Paint stuck. Got no overspray. Look at that. Top color is a little different, but that's what we were shooting for. Look at that. Pretty neat. I did get a little bit of overspray, which was right here. And look at that. Just wiped right off. So I'm really happy with the way that came out. And we scuffed it, prepped it correctly. It should last for a while. It should last for a very long time. We got 2 more doors to do. We're gonna go do that now, and then we'll. I got the center console. We're gonna swap out in this base model 16 Forester and see what it looks like. Let's go to the other side. Take all our tools, spray cans, everything. And let's go to the other side. That looks. What do you think, Corey? Look good?
Yeah.